Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey friends! Welcome back. Today, we're going to draw a colorful rooster. Grab your pen and let's get started. Woohoo! Start with a small pointed shape for the beak and add the bumpy comb on top. Yahoo! Next, I'll draw the wattle and eyes.
Yeah!
Now, I'll draw the hackles, the neck feathers, and the big tail.
Yes!
Uh-oh.
Let's draw the wing. It's shaped like a rounded triangle with feather details inside. Finally, I'll draw the thighs and feet.
Yippee!
Add some claw details for the feet.
Okay.
Wow! Our rooster drawing is complete. Now, let's color this beautiful rooster.
Yay!
I use red for the wattle and comb.
Yoo-hoo!
Next, I use yellow for the beak. For the hackles, I use a mix of yellow and orange. I'll also add a bit of red shade here to give it depth. Now, for the wing, I use yellow, red, and blue to make it vibrant and colorful. For the breast and tail, I use blue. Whoa! This gives a bold and striking look. I use maroon for the thighs and add some touches of it elsewhere for balance. Finally, I use yellow for the feet to finish the rooster.
Okay.
Well done! Our drawing and coloring are complete now. To make it stand out, take a marker and outline the drawing.
Yeah.
If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time. Bye!